Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have access to the account and any recovery email or device. This prevents lockouts. Sign in at accounts. Google.com using your Google credentials, and once logged in, navigate to personal info. Make sure to open contact info and select phone. This first actionable step locates where Google stores your number. It matters because Google uses this for verification and account recovery. If prompted for re-authentication, enter your password or approve the sign-in on your trusted device to continue. Next, click the current phone entry and tap the edit icon to begin changing the number. Enter the new phone with the correct country code. This prevents delivery failures. Once entered, choose whether this should be your primary or recovery number, because Google will use that designation for security prompts. After saving, Google typically sends a verification code to the new number. Enter that code when prompted to confirm ownership. If you don't receive a code, use the resend option or retry the country code. To finish, enter the verification code you received by SMS or phone call. This finalizes the update and secures your account. Once done, make sure the new number displays under contact info and test a sign-in prompt if needed. If you do not receive the code, check for carrier blocks, message filters, or try an alternate number temporarily. Also re-request the code after a short wait. Key troubleshooting tip: if re-authentication fails, use a recovery email or your trusted device to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.